All right, so it's finally official. DJI just dropped the launch date for the Mavic 4 Pro, and yeah, turns out all those leaks were right on the money. No surprises there. But hey, it's still exciting if you're into drones even a little bit. Now here's the fun part. Instead of doing their usual secret agent style teaser where they hide everything, DJI's pretty much said, all right, here it is. And just like that, the Mavic 4 Pro is right there in plain sight, showing off its signature Hasselblad camera, looking like it's more than ready to take on the skies. They're calling it the Spin Your World event, happening next Tuesday, May 13th at 12 GMT. Classic DJI move though, they don't actually name the drone in the teaser, but the silhouette is so obviously the Mavic 4 Pro that even your grandma could probably tell. And if you've been keeping up with the leaks, yeah, this thing's been everywhere. Photos, specs, videos, you name it. The design sticks to that classic foldable vibe, but this time we're getting some serious upgrades. That new Hasselblad camera supposedly kills it in low light and might even shoot sharper 4K or 6K video. Oh, and the gimbal, it's doing this smooth spin in the teaser, hinting at buttery 360-degree stabilization. Kinda wild. Battery's been bumped up to 6,654 milliamp hour, which could get you around 51 minutes of airtime. That's like almost a Netflix episode. Plus, it's rocking sleeker props and a new cooling system to keep things running smoother for longer. And yep, omnidirectional obstacle sensing is still in the mix with LiDAR on the front to keep you from crashing into, well, everything. Now, if you're the type who wants the full breakdown, we've got a separate video for that. Even electronic ND filter is coming later this month, maybe for around $220, assuming they get the bugs worked out. And let's be real, there's probably more info on the way before launch day. So if you're into this kind of stuff, definitely stick around. Things are just getting interesting. Peace.